All right, you guys. So, following the video that I put out for this planner and my intentions for it, I went over to Cloth and Paper. They had some great things, and I had to place an order. So I just got this. We're going to unbox it. We're going to go through it. And then I'm going to incorporate it into my planner, and this is going to be another video, okay? So let's do an unboxing. Premium paper finishings, thoughtfully designed organizational tools, exclusive experiences. That's what it says on the box. Look how nice it's packaged. Oh, this is lovely. It has its own gift dust bag. That's crazy. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Aw, a new era awaits. Well, heck yes it does. Full moon tomorrow. All right, let's see what we have in here. Do you guys order from Cloth and Paper? Let me know. Where do you order your planner inserts from? Okay. All right. I love that bag. Okay, so I did go through and I saw that they had a pen grab bag. And I had to do it. I had to get the pen grab bag. So we'll save this for the end. Okay. This is, okay, so most of these were 50% off because half the year is over. 2025 dated monthly Monday start. Experience reflection. Ooh, these, I absolutely got different things. Okay. We'll go through one at a time. Now, if you remember from that video of that planner, was it the planner or the pen? It might have been the pen video. I tested it out on some of the inserts that I had. And the Cloth and paper was supreme for my fountain pen. Okay. Contact name, always good to have. Birthdays. Okay, so this is going back in time. I was wondering what is going on? Okay, so we just did November. This is December. That's nice. October. A place for notes. July. Have July goals, important dates, priorities, bills due. Very nice. I do enjoy this setup. This is going to be really, really good. And this is in personal wide. Okay, so that's a little preview of that. Okay. Then, this is Bibliophile, 2nd edition. So this is reading. Anything with reading, I love to incorporate in my journals. Okay, so this is an example of a reading log. The date, the star rating, just an example as to how to set it up, and then a TBR on the back. Cool. Very simplistic, super simplistic. So the TBR is actually the last page, and these pages are simply for the reading log. And this is an example of what it will look like. Love that. And that's timeless. Nothing is dated. Nothing like that whatsoever. Experience reflection planner. I like to get a little emotional. I like to get a little in depth. So you get to pick what you want to expand on. So did you attend a workshop? Is it a book? Is it an article that you read? Is it a film that you watched? Is it a podcast that you listened to? Or is it something else? So you're going to put down the name, the topic, the summary, the key takeaways, the emotional response, and any thoughts. And again, here is an example of what it would look like filled out. I just love that it was multifaceted for different forms of media or, you know, real life experiences. And these will absolutely last me quite a long time, because certain, you know, I'm not going to make a reflection journal on every single thing that I read or watched, but it's those powerful things that really add to your life. That's what I'll be tapping into with this insert. Those are the key moments that I want to capture. Okay, so that again was Experience Reflection Planner. Pen swatch library. I really don't have anything like that, and I saw it and I said, why not? Okay, so the pen swatch library. The pen name, the nib size, the nib type, the ink type, and the review. So maybe I would even do this for a currently inked. I posted my first currently inked yesterday. It was just very elementary. I just wanted to show the pens that I was using and the inks. And I will incorporate, you know, the exact pen, the nib, etc., etc. So I think this would be a wonderful addition to that. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you a fan of cloth and paper? Have you purchased from them? Or are they one of your go-to places? Okay, and a vision board. Grid paper. Okay, this year. So this is the year in review and the year. And then this is where you put your dreams and goals. For different things that you want to achieve. Super simple. I think they actually have a video on this maybe, or a tutorial on YouTube. So I'm going to have to check that out. Mood board. Oh, here we go. So you have, if you could see it, dreams, to try, focus, physical, mental, to do, and financial. Like an overall vision board for life, this one is. But you can also curtail it to, or you can customize it to whatever you want to achieve in life. And I love that. Okay. And I don't know what's in here. So we're just going to check it out. Progress stickers. Oh, it's a sample. Nice. Love that. And this is just share, refresh, assistance, and access. Cool. Love their attention to detail. All right, let's check out the pens. I have no idea. It's a grab bag. I think it was $18 for 5 pens. Oh, and they give you a little case for it too. Great. Okay, well, I'm not going to use the board that they gave us. That's handy. Okay, I'm going to use the paper that I have. My little scratch pad. All right. Okay. This is Japanese. I don't know what this is. Let me know in the comment section if you know. It writes nice. Nice ink flow. It's a little chintz to hold, I will say that. Let me get a highlighter out. Not a lot of smudge. I approve. Same with this one. Oh, this is line flow in 0.5. DELI, deli? Is that it? This feels much nicer. More smudge for sure. Smooth though, with the highlighter smudge, not plain. This is a Caco Green, CACOGREEN. I love the colors. They're beautiful. How do you get these little red things off? Do you just get them off with your fingers? The ink flow is nice. Better smudgy. Okay. I dig it. I approve. We have In Morning. This one has a gray tip. Ooh, let it be a gray pen. No, it's black. Smudge is good. Good with the highlighter. Okay. And is this a highlighter? Study hard and have fun. I'm not in school, but I do like to research things and study, that's for sure. And I don't have a name or anything on this whatsoever. Oh, and it's yellow. I'll just put no name pen. It'll be good for accents. That's cute. Let's see if I could do a yellow highlighter with it. I have. Let's try this one. Okay, so there you go. And these are the pens that I received. Seems as if all of them are some type of a gel ink, quick drying, some a little bit better than others. And I'm sure I will be grabbing these when I am reaching for a pen and a fountain pen isn't with me, or I may take this with me in my work bag, which is basically my everyday carry, just to have. So, well done. I encourage you to try the pen grab bag if they have one. And the colors are just pleasing. They're very, very pleasing. Cool. Love it. All right, everybody. And that's my haul.